I went to work in Norway in 2011 for Green Mountain when they were just starting a data center in the side of a fjord, and they were one of the leaders in the sustainable data centers when most people didn't even know or care about sustainability. So Green Mountain ran off hydroelectric power. It used the fjord outside the data center to cool the data center. It used hypoxic ventilation to provide the fire protection. And it used an existing structure rather than building a new structure. So it was right at the forefront of sustainability. And obviously it was at the forefront of green energy because all of the energy supplied to it was from hydroelectric. But of course, in those days, no one was interested in sustainability. And it was quite a tough job getting people to understand how important it was at the time. Getting Norway as it understood as a data center destination was difficult because the connectivity wasn't great. And so it took a while to even get good connectivity into Norway. And then following that, I went to work with a company called Eco Data Center in Sweden. And again, they were at the forefront of sustainability. They built their data center out of wood, and I don't think there's been another one built out of wood since. But it's a great way to build a data center. There's a fantastic advantages to it. And if anybody wants to know more about it, please get in touch and I'll explain all the benefits of building a data center in wood instead of in concrete and steel. They also made one key correct decision in that they chose the right location for their data center. The data center reuses heat has to be in a place where the heat can be reused. And they chose a place on the edge of a town called Falun in the middle of Sweden, which had a district heating system which they could plug into. And in the summer, they had a wood pellet manufacturing plant adjacent to them, which they could reuse the heat to dry the wood to make the wood pellets. So they really were at the front end of sustainability.